Alright guys, what is up? It is your boy Justin Omoi, and first and foremost, this is not a DIY. This is not a video that I suggest that you guys and girls should look and copy and do exactly what I do, because what I'm gonna be doing is something that we like to call cock walk. What I intend to do is make a music rack with these three things here, with these three panel board things. This is Rubbermaid. It's supposed to be for shelves, like you know how you could hook it up on the wall, be like that. Yeah, your boy's got something else in mind with it. So you see those two board things? That was inside my house and nobody uses it, so I may or may not have to use that as well. I also have the rack rails and 100 screws, because why not? And the total so far is basically the three-piece thing. This is 5 each, $15. The rack rail was something, and the other thing, it combined it up to $27 for that. So 27 plus 15, 37, $42. And guess what? There's something on Amazon that you can buy that's nice and pretty simple, and I don't know. I should have bought that instead of wasting my time or stressing over this. But I was thinking maybe I could do it like this. Like so. I have them screw into the thing. Obviously we gotta, you know, get the right distance with the rails. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but the only thing I'm scared of is if this is not strong enough and it'll just snap, because we don't got no like supporting piece for it. So I may or may not have to improvise and do something for these little corners here. Push comes shove, I could more than likely chop this thing down here and have it so it's like this, like that. What do y'all think? And that way it won't be more of like, it won't be as bad. I was thinking to screw it there like that. Have it there. It's hard, man. Alright, so the easiest thing I think we'll do first is take these boards, right? And I'm gonna get the distance where I'm supposed to put these rack screws in. So I want to put this relatively to the point where these knobs don't stick out, but it's inside. And I got a lot of space for that too. So what I'm going to do is take something and mark it there. More or less I'm going to do that. And I'll just get the coordinate and just copy it on the next side there. And I'll basically draw the rail. Okay, so I took this thing, I drew up, and I made sure this thing was straight, even though, I don't know, I think it's not straight anymore. So yeah, I put on top of each other like this. Could y'all see that? So I put on top of each other like this. Use this board to straighten it out, make sure it's all even. Drill it. And yeah, kind of looks like it's not even straight, but now we can see. And I can already feel on the bottom. Okay, we could just take a sand thing and just brush it off, or you know, I don't want to chip it too hard. It doesn't matter anyways. Or maybe I could use this side. So let's go ahead and just take this thing, put them like this, line it up, like that, and it's kind of like not even lined up perfectly too. Alright, we're going to give it a shot. So I'm going to take this and do this, take this, hold on. Yo, what the freak? I don't know if y'all can see it, but the screw, the metal didn't come off of this screw, whatever the hell. And I'm not going to screw it all the way in, just because. Okay, it's coming out nice. Okay, it worked. Feels nice. And here's this, you know, you can see it works. Here's the back side. It didn't go through, it didn't go all the way through. So I could take like wood filler, whatever, if I even care about that. So all I'm gonna do is do the same thing with this one, just these two, until we figure out everything and make sure everything fit nice and look nice and all that. So as you see here, it looks like I did a lot, but it's not really. All I did was take this, screw these in, the top and the bottom, so I can show you, you know, how if it work or not. So yeah, I'm sliding this up. You can see it get a little stiffy, but that's not a problem because everything fits in the holes, you can see it and all that, and plus this thing is heavy, so yeah, I can lift it, slide it in, put it where I want, screw in the hole, and it's good. So yeah, now that I have this top and or the sides good, I'm gonna figure out how to screw in a bottom and I think we'll be set. What I'm gonna do now, this is probably the last thing I'm gonna do, is take this, put this at the corner to line it up, and I'm gonna measure how this is right here. Then I'm gonna divide it by 2 and make a line where I gotta put it on this side and this side. And then once I line it up, take a pencil, put my hand there, take a pencil, draw a straight line, flip it over so it's like that, and then basically, you know, make another line there so I know where to drill just in case I mess up. Alright, hopefully you can see this nice and clean. If not, then that's alright. But I put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and just like that, we're good. And yeah, when I line up the thing, I see it's not perfect, but you know what? I made it so it's looking perfect. If not, it functioned perfect. So here I go. I'm gonna flip the thing over. Hey! Just like that. It's not how about it looks, but how it functions. So yeah, let me go ahead and put in this last thing here, since I got it here. But you see how easy the thing's sliding in? Should have put this one on the bottom, but whatever. But yeah, just like that. Look at this. Once again, this is not a DIY tutorial video, but a video of you seeing me make this thing. And I say success. You could probably you can see, especially here, that it is not, you know, level. It's not the same thing. You see how this is here? See how there's a gap now? But like I said, it's not about the looks, it's about the function. And I say function nice. Hit thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, so cock work here. It's your boy Justin Omoi. With that being said, I'm out. I'm gonna occupy these spaces. That's my next goal.